Good morning, guys. Welcome to James C Rides. You're about to watch part 2 of this JL Wrangler review. We're comparing the JL in the same exact color as mine, kind of do like a side-by-side comparison. So check it out. The owner of this vehicle is JZ Rides on YouTube. Brand new YouTube channel. I'm gonna have a link to his channel in the description below. Show him some love, subscribe to his channel. He's already got mods on the way and has a lot of plans for his Jeep. Now again, the interior on this brand new JL Wrangler is so beautiful, and it honestly makes my interior on my Jeep look super plain. But you guys know how I do, man. It's not gonna stay like that for long. I got some crazy plans to make the interior of my JK look insane, but we'll talk about that in a future video. Enjoy part 2. If you didn't see part 1, there will also be a link to the part 1 video in the description below.
Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together, I'm never gon'.
So you were saying that they shaved some weight off the tops on these JLs, which is awesome.
Exactly, so they are a lot lighter. Even the back piece, it is a lot lighter. Again, it's still a two-person job to take this off,
yeah.
But right now it has a hard top on there. It's a body color hard top. Yep. Same color. I also have the soft top, which I haven't put on yet. Again, this is only a few weeks old, so I haven't really got to play with it yet. I'm trying to learn everything right now. So the soft top will eventually go on this. And the soft top is also improved, a lot easier to slide back. The quality is, it's the same manufacturer, but the quality is a little better.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. They actually sell, it's not cheap, but they have like a jack that you can literally lift your whole top off the Jeep. I would love to get it, but I think they charge like 900 bucks or $1,000 for that thing, and you could just take it off by yourself. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Yeah. But I did drive this past weekend for the first time with all 4 doors off. I used to only take the front 2 off, but I'm telling you, when you take the doors off your Jeep, I promise you, you're gonna feel like you're in a different vehicle. It's the best thing in the world.
And with the weather out here, you also have to make sure there's 0% chance of rain. You don't want to get out here. One of the good things about this is, this has the lifetime factory warranty on it, unlimited miles. So if I get caught out there in a rainstorm 10 years from now, this thing has 100,000 miles on it. The electronics, if they go.
Hold on, is it lifetime bumper to bumper or powertrain only?
Bumper to bumper. Certain things.
Get out of here. That's crazy.
Like for brakes, the calipers are covered, but the pads are not covered. Yeah. So this is bumper to bumper, lifetime warranty. That's amazing. So Jeep will replace it. You just paid a $100 deductible, and they will replace all the electronics.
Seriously, now that you say that, I'm gonna, tell everybody, guys, if since these things are coming with the lifetime warranty, honestly, I would just don't mess around like I did, replacing axles, going with 37s. Throw on the 35s, go off-road, beat the hell out of your Jeep. You have a lifetime warranty on it. Just enjoy it. Don't void that warranty.
If you put 35s on, it won't void your warranty.
Yeah.
If you go to 37s, it might. This is not set up for that.
Correct.
It would void the warranty.
Yeah.
Any problem that it causes, it would void the warranty.
Yeah, because once you go to 37s, now you're gonna have to, replace those fenders and who knows, do work to your axles. I mean, I know there's guys out there that are gonna be doing it anyway, but that lifetime warranty is it's a good thing to have.
Right. I mean, that's an added option that doesn't come standard.
What, the warranty is not standard?
No, I added that on it.
Okay, so you got, is it like one of those like third-party ones, or is it through Jeep?
Through Jeep.
Okay.
Right to an authorized Jeep dealer. And like I said, after 60,000 miles, there's a $100 deductible. Yeah. And they'll replace anything.
That's awesome.
And 10 years from now, who knows what the labor rates will be at dealership. Right now, it's about $130 an hour. 10 years from now, it'll be $175 an hour, $180 an hour. So that's something definitely to invest in if you're going to keep this long term.
All right.
So again, it's got the steel bumper group. So steel bumper in the back. This is the stock wheel.
I didn't realize that was metal too before, so I was like kind of tapping on it.
This is a stock wheel. Unfortunately, it's supposed to accommodate a 35-inch tire. I tried it, it does not. I aired it down, it doesn't fit. I could get it to fit, but it's gonna rest on here, and the problem with that is obviously when you open, you're gonna rub the tire on that, on the bumper, which obviously is no good.
Now I saw other people online that were having an issue with the 35s also, but Jeep claims that you could put a 35 on here, no problem.
If you get a BF Goodrich KO2 tire in the 35-inch,
yep,
you can do it because
it runs a little smaller.
It runs a little small. It's 34.5 inches, so
gotcha.
It'll fit. But mine just misses by about a quarter of an inch.
Now
because I'm over 35 inches.
Your taillights are also LED, I'm going to assume, right?
Also LED taillights. This has blind spot monitoring.
Yep.
This little black piece here. People are uncertain if you get a tire that sticks out too much, if that will interfere.
Yep.
We don't know yet. It hasn't been tested enough. But as it is right now, it works. It works for me.
All right. I also see now, well, I think all cars are now coming with the backup cameras, but they have it built into the spare tire carrier.
Exactly. So if you, with the rear camera, you'll have to remove the center cap or whatever wheel you put on here, and then this pops off.
Yeah.
You put the wheel on, and this pops back on. Just a little cover.
That's an awesome option to have.
And you have 3 lugs right here that keep it on.
And I'll tell you right now, so I see you have the tow hitch on yours, and then you got that little hook on the left.
Yes.
Personally, I've actually seen people that, they're stuck in the woods, and you can pull a little bit with that red hook, but I don't trust it. I've seen people mess it up. You should probably add like what I did to my Jeep. Get the little what is it, the D-ring on the tow hitch, and when you pull anybody, or if you're being pulled, you're being pulled right from the center of the Jeep.
Exactly.
You're not being pulled from a corner. All right, so I want to look at the interior on this JL because that's the thing that has me like the most excited. I think that the interior changed dramatically.
Jay-Z Fitness.
Channel name right here, guys. Well, actually no, it's not Jay-Z Fitness. That's his other channel.
That's
yeah, but it's Jay-Z Rides. It's Jay-Z Rides.
This is actually a woman who lives in California. She's a fitness professional, very successful out in California. She has a book and an app. I lost 25 pounds on that. I highly recommend you check her out.
This is my favorite part right here. You see, when I was at Mod to Fame Fest, there was a Lamborghini there that had a satin metallic red wrap, and it looks exactly like this color. It's so beautiful. This looks like Will Motivation's red Lamborghini color. That wrap looks beautiful. Then you got the red stitching on the steering wheel.
And that's just steering wheel controls on the back. If you look back here, that's something I've never seen before. Actually,
I think, well, no, I know my Hellcat definitely has the buttons on the back. Yeah, my Hellcat has the buttons on the back. I think my JK does too, though. I think they probably made it similar to the like the newer cars, like the Hellcat, the Challenger, whatever. Got stitching on the seats, red Rubicon lettering right there. I'm telling you, they made it such a nice upgrade on the interior.
8.4-inch Uconnect screen. So since this has a tow package, you get 4 auxiliary switches that are already installed. So you don't have to, when you add the light bars, you don't have to add anything.
Guys, that's awesome because you guys know that everybody with the JK normally installs an S-Pod right here for all their lighting. So now you got your own built-in type S-Pod with 4 switches. And they're all available, right? They didn't use any of them from Jeep?
Yes, they're all available.
Okay.
You have a USB port here. You have another one inside here somewhere.
Yep.
And then in the back there are, I believe, 2 more. There are 4 USB ports. I mean, this thing.
Wow, actually, this is something really new too. Everybody with the JKs, they would order stuff like this, like with the webbing, so you could attach stuff.
This comes standard. It
has like a little military type look to it.
Right, here's the 2 more USB ports in the back. You have window switches here.
Yep.
And then if you need another cup holder, this folds down. And there's 2 more cup holders here.
Oh, nice, nice. That's beautiful. I mean, you see, guys, between my JK, so guys, between my JK and the JL, the thing that I think I'm the most jealous about is the interior. The interior is really nice, and I think I'm gonna have to do some upgrades to my interior so that, keep my JK looking fresh. He's got the GoPro here already, like I said, since he's got this channel going. What else do you have? Passenger airbags, it's turned off. Got the
notice they'll put little Jeep logos all over, so you'll see them in random spots.
Yep,
right here is a little Jeep logo on the window.
Yep.
You'll see it on the shifter.
The little red button's a nice touch too on the shifter.
Right.
That's pretty cool.
And then I'm gonna do the startup for you. You'll see.
Yeah.
Stay right there. Focus on this screen right here. I'm gonna start it up, and watch for the Rubicon actually drive across the screen. That's nice.
Let's check it out.
Nice little touch. Right on the bottom.
Oh, nice, nice. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Now, did they add any kind of intelligence or whatever, like on your dash, as far as, you know how like on the Hellcats, you got like the performance gauges or anything like that? Did they do anything on the JLs? Like,
I'm still messing around with the Uconnect. It does keep statistics. It's definitely not gonna keep your 0 to 60 time because the thing is slow.
Yeah. No, I was talking about more like where you can kind of tell you like if you're climbing, if you're off-roading, does it tell you like at what angle, what degrees you're at, that kind of thing?
There's pitch and roll.
Oh, it does have that.
Which will be in the center right here.
Okay, cool. Awesome. All right, guys, you guys let me know what you guys think. Jay-Z Rides, the link to his YouTube channel will be in the description below. Again, here's a comparison between the JL, JK, same exact color. I absolutely love it. I mean, I really do like it. I mean, if you don't own a Jeep today, a Wrangler today, then obviously the JL, go for the latest and greatest. I mean, you're gonna save yourself a lot of money. If you want to lift, no need to lift it. Just throw on the 35s, go off-road, and that's it.
You don't have to re-gear either.
Oh, and no re-gear. What gears did yours come with? The 410s?
That's also another thing that I should have mentioned. This is 410 gears standard.
Okay.
On the old Rubicons, you had a 373 was standard.
Yeah.
You had to upgrade to the 410s.
Yep.
That was an option. They asked you for.
Yep.
This is standard.
Exactly.
When we combine that with the 8-speed ZF transmission, that's same transmission in the Hellcat, Charger and the Challenger. When you combine those two, you don't have to re-gear. This is ready for 35s. If you go to 37s, you still don't have to re-gear, but it's going to feel sluggish. You're definitely going to feel a difference. And you're going to want to go to 488 gears from the 410s.
Exactly. That's actually, I have the 488s on mine. All right, guys, so I already know you guys. I'm familiar with my Jeep viewers. I know you guys are already going to be talking shit, saying that this is a mall crawler. And yes, I know it's all pretty and shiny, no scratches on it. My Jeep has scratches, my wheels are all scratched up, and you guys still call me a mall crawler. So we're gonna be taking Jay-Z Rides JL Wrangler off-road also. That'll be coming up in future videos. He just got it, he just has 1,000 miles on it. I think he's gonna be a little hesitant to scratch it up, but I'm gonna do my best to push him to get some scratches on this thing anyway. I mean, to be honest, most of the scratches that I got on my Jeep, they would buff out anyway. The worst thing I ever did to my Jeep off-road was I rubbed up against a tree with one of these, but these are steel, and it literally took the bark off the tree, and I went home, put a little satin black touch-up paint, and I was good to go. For you, I've actually seen some people who do this, and they're gonna criticize you on the trails, but some people will even put like blue painter tape on the fenders so that you don't get scratches from like little things like that. I also see people who take the doors off too when they're gonna go, but then you're gonna get probably a bunch of weird insects and spiders and stuff in your JL. I actually have a little solution for the scratches, guys. That's in another video coming soon. I ordered the stuff already for my JK. So if it's your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the little bell icon so you can sign up for notifications. Also subscribe to him and click on the bell icon on his channel so you get the notifications for the mods that he has on the way. Like I said, we're gonna both be going off-road very soon, hopefully. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should